Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein French toast. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 scoop of protein powder, and a dash of cinnamon. Using a good quality bread, like brioche, will give you a superior texture. Make sure your protein powder complements the flavor profile you desire for your breakfast. Now, let's create the perfect batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 scoop of your chosen protein powder. It's crucial to mix until there are no lumps, ensuring a smooth, even consistency. A small amount of cinnamon or nutmeg can elevate the taste significantly, giving it that classic French toast aroma. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Dip each slice of bread into the protein batter, allowing it to soak for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. Place the saturated bread onto a preheated, lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each piece is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once cooked, serve your protein French toast immediately. Top with fresh berries, a drizzle of sugar-free syrup, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar for a delightful and nutritious meal. This updated recipe offers a fantastic way to boost your protein intake while enjoying a classic breakfast. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals to enhance your healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.